How to fix Snapchat widescreen on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat widescreen easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and now just type here apps or applications and then click on it, and here scroll down until you find here Snapchat, or you can just type it and click on it, and after that click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache. Now that's it, just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem you need to come back here and click storage, and now click clear data and click OK. But after that you will need to log in again, but your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If that doesn't fix your problem, just go to Play Store and click update. And that's it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.